Hello folks, I'm just outside the Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas and I'm just going to do a wee walking tour inside. I've seen one video of it inside and I believe it was beautiful. So it's been a while since I've seen the video, but let's go see what it's like. So, I don't know if you can see over that wee bridge there's somebody in a gondola. I thought about doing a gondola ride, but I've already done it and it was a real thing. So I don't think there's much point in doing it. See full of gift shops. I'll just do a video at the top floor and then I think I'll do a bottom one. There's a baseball shop. I used to love baseball as a kid. I was in the school baseball team. I said I'll maybe do 2 videos, but I'd like to do it as just one big video if I could. It's a lovely place. And I love Venice, it's one of my favourite places I've ever visited. Really stunning kind of place. Here you can see the canal and the gondolas. It's a really cool thing, isn't it? A wee tip. If you're ever in Venice and you're going to go on a gondola ride, ask them to sing for you. They don't automatically do it. The gondola we went on, the guy was great, the fact it was amazing. Just kind of sung his heart out, and I was well impressed. Didn't ask him to do it, it just gave us like a 30-minute show. It was amazing. And then we were talking to the other people on the excursion, and their ones never sung to them. Somebody says, no, you've got to ask for them to do it, you've got to pay for it. So that's a bit of a shame. Now, see, when I was in Venice, I couldn't really. I went over a couple of bridges, not much. It's not a very disabled-friendly place. I thought Vegas wouldn't be very disabled-friendly, but for the most part it is. I don't know how restrictive Venetian is for wheelchair users, but there is a lift, I think, there. No, I don't think it's a lift. There is bridges, but there must be ways around it, so maybe make it a wee bit more awkward. I'm not sure. Oh wow. Mock-up at St Mark's Square, I think, it's meant to be. Or something, it's like a small mini St Mark's Square. Aye, it's meant to be like St Mark's Square. I thought that second I saw it.
Yeah, it's going to be that way.
It's amazing. That's outdoes Paris, I think. So I'm just going to do a wee bit more around here, show you a wee bit, and then I'm going to go and buy a hat, and then I'm going to go to the casino and have a wee quick shop. Well, the queue's not too bad. The queues in Venice are quite bad, but we were lucky. We had the excursion, so it was very easy for us to go and get on. We weren't waiting, we were straight on it. So if you ever go on an excursion to Venice, do the gondola ride, and you probably won't be waiting all that long. I'm going to go downstairs. The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. Don't know if you've seen that too good. The Italian restaurant. Milos, I'm not sure. I'm guessing Greek or something. No. Aye, it's Greek. Well, look at that. It looks a lovely restaurant. In a showroom. I'm just going to head to the casino, have a wee shop, then I'm going to go up to that hat shop and buy a hat. I see, I can see a casino there. There's a sushi, sake, speakeasy. I really like sushi. It's not often I get it though. Jacqueline doesn't like fish oh no, she'll eat fish but raw fish she just turns her nose up at. So I'll just show you quickly. There's a casino. And somewhere there's a machine calling me, so I'm going to go. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thanks, bye bye.